everyone, respected teacher, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Pishamul Kapse. My school name is Kalmavil Balapati English Medium School Tunga. I am studying in level 1. First part, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day of India. On the same day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first President of India. Republic Day is celebrated in every schools, colleges, offices with great energy. Our freedom fighters and struggled पूर्ण सौलभ्य इंडिया उत्सव 3 नोव्हेंबरचा